Welcome to the next tutorial on electricity. Here I will be discussing few numerical problems. Now here I have given three numerical problems on electric current flow, that is based on Ohm's law. Out of these three, for the first problem I will solve in this video itself, so that you get some idea how to solve problems using Ohm's law. For the remaining two problems, I will not provide the solution in this video. So what you need to do is you solve these two problems on your own, and then in the next video when I will discuss the solution, you compare your result and approach with mine, so that you will understand how much you understood from the how much you have understood the concepts. Okay, let me start the first one. The first problem reads like this. So there is a conductor, metal conductor, and there are 2 points. Now the current flow in this electrical conductor is 2 ampere. I equal to 2 ampere. Current flow is 2 ampere, and between these 2 points the potential difference is 10 volt. So potential difference across these 2 points is 10 volt, and what we have to find out is what is the resistance between these 2 points. We have to find the value of resistance, which is R. So you must have guessed by now, we will be using this formula, V equal to I multiplied by R. That is the mathematical formula of Ohm's law, that is V equal to I multiplied by R. Therefore R equal to, now V is 10 volt, that is the potential difference, I is 2 ampere, therefore R equal to V upon I, which is 10 upon 2, which is 5. Unit of resistance is ohms, or we can also write ohms with a single letter, that is Greek letter omega. So this letter omega is also used for ohms. So if you are tired of writing OHMS, you can use this symbol, which is called Greek letter omega. Okay, now let me read the second and the third problem, which I suggest you do it on your own, and then compare your result with mine in the next video. The second problem is, an electric circuit has a 36 volt battery and a resistor of 50 ohms. What will be the current in the circuit? So you have to find the current. The resistance is 50 ohms and the voltage is 36 volt. Now one thing you need to assume here, that the resistance of the connecting wire is negligibly small. As a matter of fact, for all these problems you always need to assume that the resistance of the conducting wire is always negligibly small. That means you can take it as 0 unless it is explicitly mentioned. Always take the resistance of the connecting wire as 0. Third problem is, an electric fan draws a current of 5 ampere from a 220 volt supply line. What current will this fan draw if it is connected to a 110 volt supply line?